This video is powered by Oxygen, the digital expert. Hello guys, welcome to a brand new episode and I'm so excited because you guys are here for me and I'm listening to you guys. Every time I post a video, I feel like you guys are always supporting me with new comments and suggestions and I'm listening to each and every one of you and thank you so much. And today, we're gonna unbox something really cool, something that I would say is gonna be an exciting thing for all of you. So stay tuned till the end of the episode. This is Pearle and you're watching Pearle Technick. So also tell me if you really like my animation video that you just watched because we actually took, I think, one full day to decide what kind of an animation we should have. Tang, 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 and the Pearle Technique. You know, how do you like it? Please comment below because we can't change it anymore, na? We can't. For the rest of my life, I have to have it on our channel. Anyway, we're gonna start the unboxing and today we have the X90 Pro and I'm super excited because as you all know, I love any phone that has a great camera quality and video quality. This one has collaborated with the Zeiss camera and I think that's the lens is going to be just amazing. I can't wait to explore it. Also, it's their latest flagship phone and it comes with a 50 megapixel camera and also a 1-inch Sony sensor. I'm super excited. Let's start the unboxing. So they have given us a phone. That's a great thing. That's exactly what I expected in the phone cover. Now they have more papers, which is just useless papers. It's for protection, I think. Yeah? And then there is a cable. So they have the cable, the charging cord, brick, and then they have some more things. Oh my God! They have the SIM ejector. They have obviously the phone cover. I think it's really cool, the phone cover, because it's really clear and they are very clear that they don't want the phone to be hidden. So they themselves are giving a clear cover so that we don't hide it with so many animated covers. Okay, so I think that's a very good tactic. Okay, it's time to unveil. See, the first thing when you open and you see it is the camera. It's a beautiful phone, guys. It looks beautiful and I love the feel, the texture on it, the leather finish on the back. And the way they have put the whole camera. I know the importance of the camera is very high. So they have taken up enough space in the back. And they also have given a nice, a raise. As you can see, there's at least, must be a 1-inch camera sensor. Like, I think it's really protruding. But I think it's worth it. And as you hold, the grip is there. But it's a little heavier on the upper side. When you hold it, you might feel like it's going to tilt. See? Obviously, it's going to it's not going to balance. It's going to be heavier on the upper side. But other than that, I think it's a beautiful phone. And it comes with a C2C cable and also a charging brick and also a nice clean phone cover. So talking about the phone, we have here the legendary black and I think the name justifies it. The look and feel of the phone, the back looks really nice. They have the aluminum band over here in which it's engraved Extreme Imagination, Vivo Zeiss co-engineered. And again, they have the Zeiss logo and then they have the flash button over here and also the cameras. And on the right side, they have the volume button and the power button. And over here, they have the IR sensor and the mic. And it's also written professional photography in case, as a buyer, if you're not convinced that the camera is capable, they've written it. It's taking professional photography, sir, for you. So next time you go for a wedding, take this photo and say, I am a professional photographer and take some photos and they'll call you for the next wedding also. Another thing is, below they have the speakers. The speaker grill is over here and the C-type charging port. The SIM card tray is over here and it can hold dual SIM, so that's also a plus. Now I'm going to switch on the phone. Okay, it says Vivo 5G powered by Android. So the first thing you're going to notice when you switch on this phone is the super huge curved display over here because it's too curved. I feel it's like almost when I hold the phone, I'm going to actually touch the screen. That's how curved it is and I don't know if that's a good thing because you're going to accidentally click some icons as you're using the phone. I don't know if it's a great thing and it's absolutely bezel-less. So okay, maybe the design looks great. It's a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 2K resolution. It has 1300 nits at peak brightness and also 120 Hz refresh rate. So the Vivo X90 Pro is actually using, you might think it's Snapdragon but it's not. It's a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 100. And if you're wondering if it's similar to Snapdragon, yes, it's almost similar when it comes to performance and efficiency. In fact, when you're using it for like gaming or any other purposes, like multi-purpose, usage, like if you're doing the dishes and using the phone, that's what I'm That's not what I'm talking about. That's not. So basically, guys, what I'm trying to say is that this process is so nice that if you're using it for gaming and suddenly you want to go to YouTube also, and in between you want to message somebody on WhatsApp, and suddenly you're thinking, oh my god, I just want to click a photo of myself, and then suddenly you want to use some Spotify moments, and then Snapchat one idiot is messaging you, and then you're like Canva, you have to prepare one canvas, and also you're doing Instagram live also, and everything. Still, this processor will help you. That's how smooth it is. Also, the 5G connectivity will be optimum. Okay. So what we have here is a 12 GB RAM and a 256 GB internal storage, and it's also available in 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. The Vivo X90 PRO comes with a 4870 mAh battery, which actually supports fast charging of up to 44 watts, and it also has the capability of charging this phone from 0 to 100 within 24 to 30 minutes. It also comes with a 50 watts fast charging wireless, which is also very convenient. Now, coming to the camera of the phone, I think the most exciting feature of this phone is the Zeiss camera cluster at the back. The primary camera is a 50 MP with Zeiss 1-inch sensor, which is capable of taking stunning photos in all lighting conditions. There is also a 12 MP ultra wide angle camera, a 50 MP portrait camera. At the front, it features a 32 MP selfie camera. And that's what I'm talking about. So basically, the Zeiss camera lens has a few favorites, like it's some of their basic filters. They have given us that, and also they have the face filters, and it also has the makeup filters. So basically, you don't need to buy any more makeup now. Look at the lipstick colors changing. This phone is a threat to the makeup industry. As of now, I think Zeiss, the camera lens, is known for the cinematic features, the effect that it gives, and also the depth of field is going to be really high. Also, the camera is known for low light photography. As you know, usually in low light, we have to stand still and the light has to be there. Even though it's low light, we have to stand still. It takes a lot of time to capture an image. But here, they have super fast low light camera, which is really cool, which means they can click a lot of footages just like in daylight. And also the grains are going to be lesser, and also it has a fast shutter speed, which means you can take pictures of flowing water or any speed motion in clarity. So finally, what is my verdict? I think this phone is really nice. I think it looks great, especially the back, the leather back, the camera, the performance, everything looks great. The processor, the OS, everything is amazing. And I think if you're looking to buy something similar, I think you should just get it. And it comes at 85,000 rupees. So that's a little bit on the high side because this is a high-end flagship phone with excellent performance in 5G connectivity. So I think on the whole, it's a great phone if you want to get it, you know what I mean? Okay guys, it's time for a shout out for the sponsor of today's video. It's Oxygen. They always make sure they give the latest gadgets for our reviews, and also they are amazing. They have so many showrooms across Kerala. Visit the nearest one as soon as possible because they have great deals happening. This is actually their 24th anniversary month, so have amazing anniversary deals also. If you are looking for a gadget like a phone, laptop, even home appliances, this is going to be your best option. And if you're really in Kerala, go to Oxygen store and get this phone right away and use my code Pearle1000 to get 1,000 rupees discount on that purchase, or any purchase for that matter. Take care, bye, and remember to subscribe.